Okay, so let's discuss designing health education plans for specific age group. Okay, so when you say age specific competencies, it refers to the ability to communicate and provide care appropriate to a person's age, ability, culture, emotion, and condition. So technically, ang ating healthcare plan should be individualized. Okay? So therefore, kung ginagamit natin yung age-specific competency, mai-individualize natin yung healthcare plan natin. At healthcare education health education plan natin, sorry. And therefore, mas magkakaroon ng active participation kasi nga naka-tailor fit siya sa developmental stage ng patient natin. Ergo, mas mag-i-improve yung outcome natin. Okay, so now let's discuss the different teaching strategies. So we've discussed already yung developmental stage. Ano-ano yon, ano yung psychosocial, okay, na mga dapat nilang na-achieve at that point or at that age group. And we've discussed general characteristic. Now let's discuss po teaching strategy. So first, teaching strategy for your infancy and toddler is orient teaching to the caregiver. So we need to understand that infants and toddler cannot fully understand health teaching yet. So si nurse, ikaw dapat ang primarily na tinuturuan mo is the parent or the caregiver who will provide care at home. Okay? Next, use repetition and imitation of information. So children at this stage, what? Learn through repeated exposure and imitation. So kapag paulit-ulit yung ginagawang action, nagiging routine siya, mas na-enforce yung learning and familiarity. Next, you need to stimulate all senses. So learning occurs through what? Sensory experiences, nakikita, naririnig, nahahawakan yung gumagalaw. So ikaw, what you can do, you can use colorful object. Okay, may sound, may tactile, may touch part, okay, kaya nagde-demonstrate kasi may action, may movement. So you try to stimulate all senses po. Okay, next is provide physical safety and emotional security. So dapat you have a safe and comforting environment para hindi nagkakaroon ng anxiety. Therefore, nagpo-promote ka ng trust, okay, during your education, okay, or your health teaching. So kung consistent care, nare-reassure sila kung safe yung environment nila or may physical safety. Allow play and manipulation of object. So meaning, okay, ang play helps what? Infant and toddler explore and understand their environment. So very important sa kanila yan. Allowing them what? To touch and handle safe object promotes learning and development. Okay? So they learn through their play. Okay? Now, what are the nursing interventions that you need to note? So, welcome active involvement. So, you encourage the parent or si caregiver to actively participate sa care ni infant or ni toddler. Okay? You forge alliance, meaning you establish trusting relationship with them, with the parent, para nagko-cooperate sila. You encourage physical closeness. Okay? Since sila yung caregiver, sila yung mag-aalaga sa bata, so there should be physical closeness between them. Holding, cuddling, okay? Physical contact. This promote what? Comfort and emotional security. Provide detailed information, okay? So, bibigyan natin ng clear and complete instruction, okay? Si caregiver, si parent, regarding what? Kung ano yung tinuturo mo, feeding ba yan, hygiene, medication, safety, developmental needs, okay? You answer questions and concern. So, we encourage them to ask question. If they have any clarification, you'll need to be open with that. Okay? And ask for information of child's strength, limitation, likes, and dislikes. Okay? So, kung na-assess mo, okay, through questioning, yung ano ba yung preference ni child, ano ba yung ability niya, mas mai-individualize mo yung teaching care nila. Okay? So these are just some of the topics that you can discuss at this developmental stage. So promoting health for infants. Okay, so tandaan, ang healthy start in the first year of life begins in a normal full-term pregnancy. So during pregnancy pa lang, okay, if you are handling antenatal patients, okay, you need to give them health education, okay. So, dapat merong safe, complication-free delivery. So, nagpapa-prenatal sila. Okay? Ano yung importance ng breastfeeding and secure yung health environment. Promote health promotion for infants. So, encourage natin na let's say si patient is na-diagnosed ng preterm labor and taking medication. So, we give health teaching in terms of compliance dun sa medication nila. Okay? Yung pagpo-promote ng breastfeeding, very important din po. Okay, advocate for safe sleeping practices. That's another point that you can discuss at this developmental stage. So, dapat ba maraming unang nakapaligid? Okay, ano ba yung safe practice, sleeping practices na dapat nilang i-observe? And yung mga, let's say, meron nagsusmoke sa bahay, okay, so you instruct them about second-hand smoking. Okay? For toddler, so mas ang toddler at this stage experience rapid language development and they begin independence. So, yung mga safety hazard is very important na ituro natin. Poisoning, yung mga chemicals na nakakalat, okay? Burns, okay? Baka they are trying to hold a boiling kettle, okay? Falls, that's another thing, and choking po. Okay, toilet training process for toddler is another good instruction or health teaching that we can provide. So here I listed this process po. Okay, now let's go to early childhood. So, ano yung teaching strategies naman dito? So, you use warm, calm approach. Ang preschool children are easily frightened and anxious. Okay? So, at this point in time. So, dapat gentle and calm approach ka. Okay? Na hindi sila matatakot or mafa-frightened. You build trust. So, you establish a rapport. Okay? Magpapakilala ka para hindi sila natatakot. Especially sa atin na, well, at least dati, nakaputi in uniform. So, may notion na nakakatakot magbibigay ng injection. Okay? Use repetition of information. So, again, at children at this stage, learn through repeated instruction and experiences. Mas naiintindihan nila and nagiging familiar sila. Allow manipulation of object and equipment. Okay? You allow children to touch safe equipment or object to reduce their fear and increase yung curiosity and understanding. Again, operative emphasize words sa safe equipment or object po. Ha? Give care with explanation. Ibig sabihin, you explain procedure before performing then, which is, yun naman talaga yung ginagawa natin as a nurse. Whether kung anong developmental stage yan. Kasi mas nadidecrease yung anxiety nila and nape-prepare sila emotionally. Okay? Reassure, not to blame. So, they think illness is punishment, diba? So, tayong nurses, we need to reassure that children that being sick is not their fault. Okay? Hindi nila kasalanan na nagkasakit sila kasi may ginawa silang masama. Okay? Explain procedures simply and briefly. So, use short, concrete, simple explanation. Kasi nga, they think literally. Okay? So, short din ang attention span nila. Provide safe and secure environment. So again, just like what we mentioned before, use positive reinforcement. You praise, you encourage them. That would help build their confidence and cooperation. Encourage question to reveal perception and feelings. Okay? So you allowing the child to ask question helps them identify fears, misconception, and emotion. Use simple drawings and stories. So may mga visual storytelling that helps children understand po. Play therapy with dolls and puppet. Okay, so you can use play therapy. Again, sabi nga natin, play is the primary method of learning at this stage. So, let's say, binibigay ka ng doll or ng puppet, it helps explain procedures and reduce fear. And again, stimulates senses, visual, auditory, tactile, and motor. Okay, para mas nag-i-improve yung learning nila. With the nursing intervention, so same lang po siya katulad nung kanina natin, okay? I think, yeah, technically same na same po siya. So, I won't, hindi ko na uulitin in terms of the nursing intervention at this stage. Now, let's go to your middle and late childhood. So, first teaching strategy is encourage independent and active participation. So, at this stage po, okay, children like to what? Feel capable and involved. So, allowing participation promotes confidence and responsibility. We need to be honest, okay? ang bata sa age na to recognize dishonesty.